Who's pulling up in the yellow banana?
Hey y'all.
Hold on there, Buck.
Hey y'all, welcome back to another day of It's a Bug's Life. Coming at you from the beautiful state of Utah, specifically Hurricane, Utah. That's Zion National Park behind me. We're gonna go explore Zion, Sand Hollow, take out some side-by-sides and go explore the dunes. And as an additional bonus, we're gonna meet up with Matt from Winter Towing, and he's gonna take us on a tour in the yellow banana. And we're finally gonna meet Ed. So we're so excited, I'm gonna take you guys with us. So let's get started.
Isn't that crazy? We went all the way to the top. Oh, there they go. Look at them. There's a trail right there, honey.
Oh, and there's people out there.
This is amazing. And then look what's to your left. Look at the mountain right here to the left with all the different layers on it and up to the top of the trees. It doesn't even look real.
It does. Watch out.
Oh, look at him.
How cute is that?
Look how cute they are.
That is awesome.
Oh, he just went, I'm gonna stab you in the butt. Look at this guy. Look at all your little bubbles.
Look at
What?
That was Goose.
look at him looking at the people up there.
Oh God, I didn't realize you were recording. Okay.
That was Goose, everybody. I just got a whole bunch of white butts staring at me.
That's so cute.
Holy poop.
must be Matt with Matt's Off-Road Recovery. Wait a minute.
The bug.
It's
Get
the
out of the banana.
It's the bug. How you doing, Buggy?
I'm doing awesome. It's a badass XJ. Yes, I said that.
How you doing, Bug?